Good afternoon, everybody. Brian again here at Cars Equipment Sales, Mount Upton, New York. Just wanted to kind of show you, we had a bunch of inventory come in. The yard is actually full right at the moment. We have a bunch of excavators. We have a ton of attachments. We have a bunch of skid loaders. Hawaii units, groundhog units, and we have a couple of Rippas over there as well, Rippa R10s. But we do have a bunch of groundhog wheeled and tracked skid loaders that we brought in. These are all actually leftover units that are at huge discounts right now. So if you guys are looking for mini skid loaders that these are 14 horsepower, well, 13 and a half horsepower Briggs and Stratton powered units. These are normally priced at $7,900. We actually have these priced right now at $5,200. So they're discounted quite a bit because they're leftovers. I actually have 6 of those. I'm sorry, I have 5 of those in stock. We have our Hawaii wheeled stand-on skid loader. We've still got the LHY 480 Hawaii stand-on skid loader, 3-pump gas unit, beautiful little machine. We've got a little cabbed excavator up there. That's a Hawaii HY12. We've still got one of the Shy 10s. That machine's had a lot of interest. Beautiful little machine. We got a cute little pink ZH12 groundhog we just got in. We've got the blue ZH12 walking around. The KH14-2s. I have 4 of these in stock with or without side swing boom. These are also leftover units, and they're also priced starting at $5,200. Those machines originally were $9,900. They're huge discounts right now, guys. If you're looking for a good deal on mini excavators, we are stocked up like crazy. We got a bunch of diesels down here on this end. This one here is a pretty nice special piece. It's a Hawaii SHY20. Do a little research on that. You'll see that's a beautiful little unit, the Shy 20. We've got some groundhog diesels. If you scroll around here, we've got a couple of cheaper stand-on skid loaders. We're blowing those out $3,900 a piece. I have a couple of these Rippa R10s. The Rippa R10s are actually a pretty nice unit. These actually all have your diverter blocks for your auxiliary with quick couplers on them. There's also secondary auxiliaries on this for attachments. Hydraulic thumbs. This unit comes with expanding tracks. Tip outs on the blade to come out to the outside of your tracks. They've got the cage in front. They've got the pilot style controls. Nice high back seat. These are actually a pretty nice little unit that we're actually blowing out $5,900 a piece. These are brand new. Cylinder protection guards, side swing boom. This is a pretty nicely optioned machine actually for $5,900, brand new. Rippa R10s. And like I said, tons and tons of attachments as well, guys. This is probably this is the most we've ever had on our lot at this point. We are loaded up with a lot of machines here, and now's a great time to buy them. You can get really good deals. You can see we got a bunch of 4-in-1 buckets for the skid loaders. We have pallet forks. We have grapple buckets. We have ripper teeth. We have a ton of attachments. We have post hole augers over in the other building. Give us a call. Cars Equipment, 607-441-4047. Thank you, guys.